Hi lovelies, welcome back to the part 2 of my ultimate wash day routine for natural kinky hair. If you missed the part 1, be sure to check it out. In that video, I shared how to prepare my game-changing DIY prepoo solution that has completely transformed my wash day. I also showed you how I applied it to my hair, washed it out and shampooed my hair. The part 1 is a must wash if you want to elevate your wash day experience and not break or lose the hair you've been able to retain during wash day. Today, we are continuing the journey right where we left off. I'll be sharing how I prepare and apply my DIY protein treatment, deep condition my hair and blow dry for the very first time. Plus, I'll take you through trimming my hair, how I give myself a relaxing massage, and I'll finish it off with a sleek protective hairstyle. Make sure to watch this video to the end because it's going to be a transformative hair journey. So let's get started. Here I have 2 bananas, 1 egg and my blender. I'm also going to make use of sunflower oil. I peel the bananas and add them to my blender. Crack in the egg and pour in about 100 ml of sunflower oil to help everything blend smoothly. Preparing this protein treatment is pretty much simple, but the treatment itself is incredibly effective. Once everything is blended to a smooth consistency, I transferred it to an applicator bottle for easy application. As you can see here, my hair was already sectioned from the prepoo and shampooing steps earlier. Sectioning my hair helps keep everything neat and manageable. And I went ahead to apply the DIY protein treatment we just made to my hair. I applied the treatment generously to each section, making sure every strand is coated. Just watch how I apply it, my hand movements, the motion I use to make sure everything works into my hair. While I'm on this, I'll go ahead to tell you why this treatment is so good for your hair. Bananas are rich in silica, a mineral that helps your body synthesize collagen, which strengthens hair and improves its elasticity. Banana also contains antioxidants that protect hair follicles from oxidative stress, keeping your hair healthy and vibrant. Additionally, bananas are loaded with vitamins, natural oils, and biotin, which moisturize and softens your hair, reduce frizz, and promote shine. Their antimicrobial properties can smooth or dry flaky scalp and help combat dandruff. Eggs, on the other hand, are a powerhouse of protein, which is essential for repairing and strengthening our hair strands. They contain B complex, vitamins, biotin, and minerals that nourish the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and prevent breakage. The fat in the egg yolk conditions the hair, while the proteins in the egg white improves texture and adds volume. And together, these nutrients makes eggs an excellent ingredient for promoting healthy, glossy hair. And sunflower oil adds an extra layer of nourishment. It is rich in vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to protect hair from damage. Its oleic acid helps reduce breakage and retain moisture, while its linoleic acid hydrates and smooths the hair, leaving it soft and manageable. Sunflower oil also has anti-inflammatory properties that calms the scalp and promotes healthy hair growth. So back to the application of the DIY protein treatment. At this point, my hair was getting dry, so I went in with my DIY hair growth spray and followed in with the DIY protein treatment. If you want to see how I made the DIY hair growth spray, let me know in the comment section and I'll make the video available. This treatment was so easy to apply to my hair. It just melts into my hair because my hair was already detangled from the prepoo and it's just easy to work with. And when I was done with the section, I went ahead to put it back in a twist. I repeated same process for my entire hair. I worked section by section until I was done with my entire hair. And when I was done applying the treatment to my entire hair, it was time to deep condition my hair. This protein treatment also doubles as a deep conditioner, and it's perfect for adding moisture, repairing and restoring balance to my hair strands. And I secured my hair upwards, and afterwards I covered my hair with a shower cap and sat under my hair steamer for 20 minutes to allow my hair absorb all the nutrients from this treatment. Deep conditioning restores hydration, strengthens our hair, improves elasticity, and helps detangle our hair with ease. It also smooths the cuticles, reducing frizz and making our hair more manageable. Plus, it leaves my coils feeling soft, bouncy, and refreshed. And I love this for me. Like, I love this so much for me. And afterwards, I go ahead to rinse out the treatment using warm water. I like to take out my twists when washing my hair. I rinse it out thoroughly, and afterwards I put it back in the twist. And followed up with a moisturizing shampoo. And afterwards I put it back in the twist and give it a final rinse. When I'm done with my entire hair, I take down the twist just to review my hair to see how it looks. And honestly, I can tell you for a fact that my hair feels so soft and ready for the next step. This step is optional. It's just something I like to do occasionally when I have the time in my hand during wash day. And afterwards, I put my hair back in the twist, throw on my hair towel, and I went ahead to freshen up, and I was back like I never left. And now it's time to blow dry my hair. This is something I haven't done since I started my natural hair journey. I started by taking out a section. Here I have leave-in conditioner and water in my spray bottle, and I'll go ahead to spray that into my hair after taking down this twist. Blow drying can be intimidating and can cause heat damage if the necessary precautions to protect our coils are neglected. I sprayed in the water and leave-in conditioner mix onto my hair, and I use my hands to work that in. And afterwards, I went in with a water-based heat protectant. I worked that in and followed up with my hair serum. You can use any product of your choice as long as they get the job done. For blow drying my hair, I'll be using this blow dryer I got. This is how it looks. It has 3 settings: cool air, low heat and high heat setting. I'll be using the low heat setting to blow dry my hair. I ran that through my hair a couple of times, and yes, so I'm going to take my time to ensure I don't damage my strand. I know using the low heat setting won't get my hair bone straight, but that's okay because that's not what I'm going for. The main reason for blow drying my hair is to give my hair a good trim. And when I was done blow drying that section, I went ahead to give myself a quick length check. I went in to give myself a trim, removing just enough to keep my ends fresh and healthy. I actually took out about 1.5 centimeters for each section. And after I was done trimming, I gave my hair a quick length check and I was left with 11 centimeters, and that's good for me. This is always an exciting moment for me because it shows how far my hair has come. My hair is actually 4 years old. I did a big chop 2021, and here I am 4 years later, and I'm loving the results so far. Even though I consider myself a lazy natural, my hair is still thriving. Trimming doesn't necessarily make our hair grow, like it has nothing to do with hair growth, but it helps with length retention. You see, our hair grows from the roots and we have to keep the ends safe and preserved. If you have split ends and you don't get rid of that end, that damaged end, it ends up splitting up to the hair shaft, and that will cause your hair to break and you won't be able to see the length which grows from the root. So that's why trimming is very, very necessary for maintaining healthy ends and preventing split ends from traveling up the hair shaft. So I always advocate that you trim only when necessary, when you feel like your hair actually needs it. Since I started my hair journey, this is the first time I'm giving myself a trim. I only dust my end, but like I'm giving myself an actual trim for the first time. I repeated the same process for all the section of my hair, and when I was done trimming my entire hair, it was time for one of the favorite part of my hair care routine, scalp massage. So I went in with my DIY hair growth oil. I applied it to the lines to my scalp using my finger to help massage it in. I put just enough I needed. My hair wasn't dripping oil, just enough to give myself a good massage. Scalp massage promotes blood circulation, which helps stimulate hair growth. Plus, it's a perfect way to relax and pamper yourself after a busy wash day. If you want to see how I made my DIY hair growth oil, type DIY hair growth oil and I'll make that video available for you. For me, massage is therapeutic. You can tell from the way I'm enjoying the massage. It feels so good. I massage my hair almost every night. Most times when I find it difficult to go to sleep, I give myself a quick scalp massage, and before long I doze off. Like, it just helps me relax. And when I was done with that relaxing scalp massage, it was time to put my hair in a protective style. So I'm going to take down the twists.
Natural grace to empower each day, one strand at a time, oh hey, sharing love in a natural way, living out in a natural way,
And I went ahead to take down the twist, and this is how my hair is looking. I am loving the results so far. My hair feels so silky and soft. I can just stay on and not get tired admiring how my hair looks right now, but it's time to put my hair in a protective style. So let's wrap up this video by putting my hair into my go-to protective hairstyle, mini twist. I section my hair into 6 sections and I go in with a leave-in conditioner to give my hair double protection while in the braids. And I followed up with oil to seal in the moisture. Afterwards, I sectioned my hair and started twisting. I started each twist with a braid at the base to secure it, and then I twist it down to the ends. When I get to the front, you will see how I install the twist. I am done with the back section and this is how it is looking. The video is already long, so watch out for a detailed video on how I installed this mini twist. Because after installing the twist, there are other steps I did that I couldn't show in this video because I want to keep it short.
feel the soul in the air, natural vibes everywhere, together we rise and live.
And I am done with my twist and my hair is looking fabulous. This protective hairstyle is perfect for me. I love it because it's sleek and versatile to style. We've come to the end of the part 2 of my ultimate wash day routine for natural kinky hair. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, keep winning and living your best life.